Hi everyone, my name is Juanmi Lopez and I am the CEO of Cover.io. Cover.io is an insurtech. That means insurance plus technology for e-commerce. There are some problems regarding online shoppers, e-commerce businesses, and insurance corporations. Let's start with online shoppers. Did you know that half of Europe's population is uninsured or underinsured? But 80% of Europe's population shops online. For e-commerce businesses, they suffer unobserved risks like internet outages, but also they suffer big techs selling insurance. E-commerce cannot afford the complexity and costs of doing the same. The third group, insurance corporations, they cannot sell some insurance products, really good insurance products, because they cannot target some segments. The solution, Cover.io, for online shoppers, convenient protection, get insurance just checking a box, no small print and no hassle. For e-commerce businesses, new revenue stream, increase average ticket and get peace of mind. And for insurance corporation, new channel and new business. This is a huge opportunity to invest in $5 trillion for non-insurance brands during next 10 years. Also, regulation. Insurance for both electric scooters and pets will soon be mandatory in our home market Spain. Simple business model, success-based pricing model, and revenue sharing model. High value added, simplicity and scalability to protect e-commerce businesses and their customers. Entry barriers. The intersection between insurance, payments, and e-commerce make our business model difficult to replicate. Let's see our go-to-market strategy. We initially target the 370,000 online stores selling through Shopify in Europe. The good news here is that we only have one decision maker. The CEO, COO, CFO is who decides to insure the business and offer embedded insurance to their customers. Let's see an example of our B2B2C approach. The e-commerce just add Cover.io's plugin and transform a transactional business into a subscription one. This is really simple. No integration, just installation. And in this example, the insurance products are going to be bike or e-scooter, liability or accident coverage. E-commerce selling helmets, in this example, made 50,000 customers last year, 5 million euros in GMV. With Cover.io, they can transform 5% of those before one-shot customers into subscriptors, getting predictable recurring revenue. Our B2B approach, e-commerce just add Cover.io's plugin and start monitoring risks to get peace of mind. Again, no integrations, just installation or plugin. Our partners, Shopify and those well-known insurance companies. Our team, more than 15 years of experience in startups and corporations in the insurance, e-commerce and payments industries. We are young. In just 6 months, we got a really talented team, first ticket coming from business angels, and a really well-known advisory board. Also, we've been selected to present our solution in the most well-known insurance and insurtech event worldwide, ITC Vegas. We were finalists of Injury Awards in Austria, and we've been last week featured as InsurTech of the Month by Efficiency, a well-known magazine related to insurance in France. Please join us making insurance better for everyone. Thank you very much. Let's talk in this link. Thank you.